Are you ready to start making extra money online with the skills and talents you were already born with? In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make money online as a freelancer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace, where we discuss all things money, honey. Today, we're going to be discussing how you can make money online as a freelancer in 2023 and upcoming years. If you're looking to earn a living from the comfort of your own home, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years, offering individuals the opportunity to work on their own terms and earn a sustainable income. In 2023, the freelance market is expected to grow even further, presenting numerous opportunities for aspiring freelancers. So what exactly is freelancing? Freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project basis. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to choose projects you work on, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. One of the key advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it provides. You can create your own schedule, allowing you to pursue other passions or spend time with your loved ones. It's a lifestyle that offers both freedom and independence. However, freelancing also comes with its own sets of challenges. It requires self-discipline, effective time management, and the ability to market yourself and find new clients. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome these challenges and thrive as a freelancer. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to succeed as a freelancer in 2023 and the upcoming years. We'll cover everything from identifying your skills and building an online presence to networking, creating winning proposals, and diversifying your income streams. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting freelancing journey and make money online in 2023 and the upcoming years, let's dive into the next segment and discover how to identify your skills and a niche as a freelancer. The first step to becoming a successful freelancer is to identify your skills and niche. Take some time to assess your strengths and your interests. Finding your niche will help you stand out in the competitive market. Start by making a list of your skills, both hard and soft. Hard skills are specific technical abilities related to your field. Soft skills, on the other hand, are transferable skills like communication, problem solving, and time management. Are you a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer? Once you have your list, narrow it down to the skills you enjoy the most and the skills that you excel at. Remember, freelancing is not just about what you can do, but also about what you love doing. Finding that sweet spot where skills and passion intersect will make your freelancing journey more fulfilling to you. Now that you have identified your skills, it's time to find your niche. A niche is a specialized area within your field where you can focus your expertise and target a specific audience. Research the market and identify gaps or opportunities that align with your skills. For example, if you're good at creating graphics, becoming a graphic designer may be the niche for you. By narrowing down your focus, you can position yourself as an expert in that particular niche. Remember, choosing a niche doesn't mean you're going to be limiting yourself. It's about becoming a specialist in a specific area, which can help you attract clients who are looking for your unique skills and your expertise. Additionally, keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies within your field. This can open up new opportunities and allow you to stay ahead of the curve. When you continue upskilling and adapting to industry changes, it will give you a competitive edge as a freelancer. So take the time to identify your skills, find your niche, and position yourself as an expert in that area before you decide to upskill and add other services. The second step to make money online as a freelancer after you've identified your skills is to build an online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work. This serves as your online hub where potential clients can learn more about you and your services. Make sure your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and showcase your best work. Include a clear description of your services, testimonials from satisfied clients, and a way for visitors to contact you. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. Choose platforms that align with your niche and where your potential clients are active. For example, if you are an visual artist, platforms like Instagram can be great for showcasing your work. Regularly update your social media profiles with high quality content related to your field. Share your work, provide valuable insights, and engage with your audience by responding to their comments and their messages. And also remember, consistency is key. So aim to post regularly and maintain an active presence. Step 3 is to network and build relationships. Networking plays a very big role in freelancing success. Attend industry events, join online communities, and engage with fellow freelancers and potential clients. Building relationships can lead to referrals and long-term collaborations, helping you secure more projects. Another way to build your online presence is by guest blogging or contributing to industry's publications. This allows you to showcase your expertise to a wider audience and establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Reach out to relevant blogs or publications and offer to write informative articles or share your insights through interviews. Networking is also crucial for building your online presence. Connect with other professionals in your industry through platforms like LinkedIn or industry-specific forums. Engage in conversations, share your knowledge, and build those relationships. Collaborating with others can lead to new opportunities and referrals. And lastly, don't estimate the power of personal branding. Define your unique value proposition and communicate it consistently across all your online platforms. Use a professional headshot, create you a great looking logo or visual identity, and craft a compelling bio that highlights your skills and your expertise. Remember, building an online presence, it will take you some time and some effort. Be patient and stay consistent with your efforts. As you establish yourself and gain positive feedback from your clients, your online presence will become a powerful tool for attracting new opportunities for your freelancing business. Step 4 is to create a winning proposal. When applying for freelancers gigs, a well-crafted proposal can make all the difference. Tailor each proposal to the specific project, highlighting your relevant skills and your experience. Clearly communicate your value proposition and how you can meet the client's needs. Start your proposal with a strong introduction that grabs the client's attention. State your understanding of their project and highlight how your skills and your expertise make you the perfect fit for the job. You want to show confidence in your ability to deliver those results. When you think about hiring someone for yourself, this is how you want to present yourself to your potential client as well, because you want to make sure that you're able to deliver the results, and you want them to know that they can be confident in you delivering the results to them. Next, outline your approach. Break down the project into clear milestones and explain how you will tackle each one. Provide a timeline or schedule to give the client a clear idea of what to expect. Be realistic with your timelines and ensure you can meet those proposed deadlines. When it comes to pricing, be transparent and provide a detailed breakdown of your fees. Clearly explain what is included in your pricing and any additional costs that may arise. If possible, offer different pricing options or packages to give the client flexibility in choosing what suits their budgets and their needs. And while you begin to come up with these different pricings, you also want to keep your target in mind so that your budget is not too low or not too high for your specific target audience. To showcase your expertise and credibility, include relevant samples of your previous work or a portfolio. This allows the clients to see your quality of your work and the results you have achieved for other clients. Be sure to get those testimonials or references from satisfied clients. It can also add credibility to your proposal. Additionally, consider including a section that outlines your communication and your collaboration process. Explain how you would keep the client updated on the process. Explain how you would keep the client updated on the progress of the project and how you would handle feedback and revisions. Clear communication is a key to building a successful client-freelancer relationship. Finally, you want to proofread your proposal thoroughly to ensure it is free of any errors or typos. A professional and error-free proposal demonstrates attention to detail and your professionalism. Remember, each proposal should be tailored to the specific client and project that you are working on. Avoid using generic templates and take the time to personalize your proposal to make it stand out, because you want to stand out from those that may be your competition. And the last thing to know is how to diversify your income. It is very essential to diversify your income streams as a freelancer. Relying solely on one client or project can be risky. You want to explore different platforms such as freelancing websites, content marketplaces, or even creating your own digital products or courses. Consider creating digital products or resources that you can sell online. This could include things as in ebooks, online courses, templates, or stock assets related to your field. These products can generate passive income and reach a wider audience beyond your freelance clients. Another way to diversify your income is by exploring affiliate marketing opportunities. Identify products or services that align with your niche and become an affiliate partner. Promote those products through your website, blogs, or social media platforms and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Collaborating with other freelancers or agencies can open up new income streams. You want to partner with professionals in complementary fields and offer joint services or packages. This will allow you to tap into their client base and expand your reach as well. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking and building relationships. You want to attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with other freelancers or potential clients. Building a strong network can lead to referrals, collaborations, and new income opportunities. Remember, diversifying your income streams, it will take you some time and effort. Start by focusing on one or two additional income streams and gradually expand from there. By diversifying your income, you can create a more stable and sustainable freelancing career. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. By staying updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices, Freelancers can position themselves as knowledgeable experts in your field. Upskilling refers to acquiring new skills or improving your existing skills. Freelancers should regularly assess their skill set and identify areas where they can enhance their capabilities. This could involve taking online courses, you can attend workshops or conferences, reading industry publications, or participating in webinars. By upscaling, you can offer a wide range of services and cater to the evolving needs of your clients. When you continue learning and upskilling, also contribute to professional growth and personal development. It allows you to expand your knowledge base, gain fresh perspectives, and develop solutions for your clients. Additionally, learning new skills can provide a sense of fulfillment and keep you motivated and engaged within your work. Moreover, learning helps with you to stay ahead of your competition. By being proactive in acquiring new knowledge and skills, you can differentiate yourself for services and the ability to command higher rates. As a freelancer, you should prioritize learning opportunities that align with your career goals and your target market. You can focus on acquiring skills that are in high demand or emerging in your industry. By staying informed about these skills, that will give you a competitive edge. And as you begin to build your portfolio as a freelancer, it's a good idea to check freelancer websites like Upwork and Fiverr. These are both great platforms to use to grow your business as a freelancer. And although these platforms are great to use, you still want to have your own website so you can drive traffic to your website so you're able to operate your business and expand your business one day. Remember, the goal is to make money but also create generational wealth while doing so. So you want to be in control of what happens within your company. So that's going to bring us to the end of this video. If you're ready to start your business and legalize your business, down in the description of this video, I have a link for you to sign up today and legalize your company. You'll be able to start your business with a free LLC and your free EIN number in one place. I am Sierra, and this is Road to Financial Peace. I'll see you guys back here on my next video. Bye.